Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to update audio sound level Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to fix sound problem in Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. Firstly click on start, click on computer management. After click on drive manager, click on sound, video and cam controls. If you want to update, so right click on update drive. Click on search automatically for devices. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to update audio sound level Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share my video for latest update.